How to copy Instagram profile link. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to copy Instagram profile link. So let's begin. Since we cannot use the Instagram app, what I would suggest is to use the web browser such as Safari or Google Chrome. And then now let's proceed. So first, open the Instagram app since we will be needing the username or your handle. So go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, and as you can see, your username will be displayed on the upper left corner. So do take note of your username, or you may also copy it by clicking on it right here. Um, Copy it, and then you may go to a note, for example, or any app in which you can type. So, for example, I'll just go to Safari, then type in www.instagram.com/ paste your handle or your username right here, and then slash once again. So if you hit enter, as you can see, it will redirect you to your profile. And now you may click and hold on it and then copy the link and send it to your friend. And then there is actually an easier way for that, in which you don't need to um, memorize your handle or your username or copy it. So I would suggest to open your web browser, sign in to Instagram, and then simply go to your profile right here and then do the same steps. Press and hold on the link and then copy it and send it to your friends. So that's it. That's how you can copy Instagram profile link. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.